Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to disable Microsoft Windows Defender antivirus on Windows 11 and 10. Although Windows Defender is an application, you cannot uninstall it like a regular app. Also, it is not possible to completely uninstall it from a Windows PC. However, you can disable it temporarily on your computer. To turn off Microsoft Windows Defender antivirus temporarily on Windows 11 or 10, click on the Search or Start button at taskbar and type Windows Security. In the available search results, click on Windows Security to open the same. Select Virus and Threat Protection in the left sidebar of Windows Security. Hit the Manage Settings link under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings page. Finally, turn the toggle switch to Off under Real-Time Protection. Please note, Microsoft Defender's real-time protection will automatically turn on again after a short time to protect your computer. That's it.